Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaizas Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this easy and beautiful cross, which is very simple. Within 10 minutes you can crochet this pattern. You can use this as a stick bookmarker. If you, instead of this pom-pom, you can attach this cross with this lace, so you can use as a bookmarker. It's very easy and simple. So let's start our project. For this project I have taken here the cotton thin yarn. The hook size which I am going to use here is 1.5 mm. So let's start our project. We'll start this project with the magic circle. We'll make chain 1, that's to secure this circle, and then 1 2 3 yarn over. Inside the circle we'll make 1 double crochet, again yarn over into the circle, 1 more double crochet. Now we got here 3 double crochets, yarn over, 1 more double crochet. So including these 3 chains we have here 4 double crochets, chain 2, yarn over, again we'll make 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 4, 2 chain, again 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 2 chains. Let's pull this, again we'll make inside 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 and 4. Now let's make chain 2, 1 2, and we will do the slip stitch into the third chain. So here we got 4 chain, 4 double crochets, 2 chain, 4 double crochets, 2 chain, like this 4 groups. Now let's make chain 3, 1 2 3, turn the project, yarn over. Inside this we'll make 1 2 3 double crochets. So including these 3 chains we have here 4 double crochets, chain 2, yarn over, again inside we'll make 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 and 4. Let's pull this tail yarn so that we can close this circle like this. Now chain 1, turn the project, we'll do the slip stitch into the next stitch, inside the hook into the next, and make second slip stitch into the third, also 1 slip stitch, and we have reached here at the center. Here we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 1 2 3, inside this again we'll make 3 double crochets, 1 2 3. So including with these 3 chains we got here 4 double crochets, chain 2, yarn over, again we are going to make 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 and 4. Let's make chain 1, turn the project, and then we will do the slip stitch into the next 3 double crochet stitches, 1 2 3. Will come inside this space we'll make one single crochet, chain 3, yarn over. We are going to make 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, including this 3 chains. We got here 4 double crochets, chain 2. Again we'll make 3 double crochets, 1 2 3 and 4. Now we got here 3 clusters. Here I have finished 5 groups of 4 double crochets, 2 chain and 4 double crochet. Now let's make a chain 1 and we'll snip off this yarn. We can hide this yarn using the needle or the hook. Here we have finished one side. Now we are going to start the other side. So insert the hook into this 2 chain space and pull this yarn. Chain 1. Again we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, yarn over, inside 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, chain 2, yarn over. We are going to make 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 and 4. Chain 1, turn the project into the next 3 double crochets. We'll make slip stitch. Inside this we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, yarn over. Inside this we'll make 3 more double crochets, 1 2 and the 3, chain 2, again 4 double crochets, 1 2 3, yarn over, again 1 more, so it will be totally 4. Chain 1, turn the project into the next 3 double crochets. We'll make 3 slip stitches, 1 2 3. Inside this we'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 2 3, chain 2. Again we'll make 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 4, chain 1. Down we had 5 groups. Here we got 3. Now let's make chain 1 and chain 1 and we'll snip off this yarn. Same like this, we are going to work on these 2 sides, here and here. This is how our project looks now. Here we used 5 groups, here 3, here 3 and here also 3. So I hope you all have enjoyed this small tutorial on how to crochet this cross. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.